Hello बच्चों, today I am going to explain exercise 5C. In this exercise we will learn sum of AP. Sum of AP. Sum of AP means certain terms of arithmetic progression would be given and you will have to find the sum. As you know, in the previous exercise there was a formula for Tn. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This was the formula for obtaining the nth term of the AP. Nth means any term, that may be 10th term, 12th term, 13th term, whatever. But in this you have to calculate the sum of that AP. Sum means formula for the sum would be Sn is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In this formula you are requiring number of terms, how many terms you have to add, first term and common difference, and you will get the term. Let us take an example. The question, it is question 1 and part 1. AP has been given 3, 8, 13, dot dot dot. It is written to 20 terms. It does mean you have to add 20 terms of this AP. So then for the solution, A will be equal to 3, first term of the series, and D will be equal to 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. You will have to show the working, means you are subtracting first term from the second, T2 minus T1, rather T3 minus T2, whatever you want to do. Simply just take first two terms, T2 minus T1, you do it. And n is equal to 20 because 20 terms are to be added. Simply apply the formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. It is d. You will write as 20. 20 will remain in the suffix. It is not of the same size 20. No. It is as 20. 20 is written in the suffix. Substitute the values. 20 upon 2. It is 2 only. 2 into a means 3 plus 20 minus 1 into d. D is how much? 5. Tenza, this will become 10. 2 3 are 6 plus this is 19. 19 5s are 95. 10 into 6 or 5 11 and it is 101. 1 0 1 0. It is the sum of the AP. This is the answer. In this way you can calculate sum of any given AP. Second type of question would be, second part 1 I am going to explain. Series has been given. Series means it is given 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus dot 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 96. In this question it was given you have to add 20 terms, but in this question series has been given 96. In this case 96 does not mean you have to add the terms 96 terms. It is the certain term of the AP. How many terms are there in the AP? This is not given. This you will have to find. How to find? Simply A is equal to 3, D is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, and this 96 is Tn, means nth term of the series. Suppose the series is containing 15 term, then this is the 15th term of the AP, you can say. This time we don't know, that's why we are writing Tn. Now apply the formula for Tn. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is 96. Actually Tn is the value of the term, n is the number of term, which term it is. A means 3 plus n minus 1 into D means 3. You will calculate n. N means which term is 96. 96 is equal to 3, take common. Rather taking common you can also write 3 plus 3 and minus 3. This 3 will be cancelled. Is equal to 96 upon 3. 3 3 are 9, 3 2 is 6. N is equal to 32. It does mean you have to add 32 terms. There are 32 terms in the series. You have to add these all. This time you will apply formula. Sn is equal to, formula you know very well, simply this 32 upon 2 into 2 into A means 3 plus 32 minus 1 into 3. 3 is looking common, can be taken, but rather taking simply calculate. This will be cancelled 16 ja, 2 3 ja 6 plus 31, 31 3 ja 93. 16 into it is 99. Now simply multiply 99 into 16. 178. 1782 is the answer. Whatever will come will depend on the situation. The basic concept of the how to apply formula Sn in the questions, this you have to learn. Two questions I have explained here. Now you solve today some questions of exercise 5C. You can take homework from question number 1 to 5. SW is question number 1 to question 5. Thank you.